Adding a Fav icon. Log into your admin dashboard and go to Site and into Branding. So down here you're going to find Fav icon. We already have a Zenler one in here, but I'm going to swap this out. So what is a Fav icon? A Fav icon is what appears in the top left of the browser tab here. So you can see that it's created this little Z. This is taken from here. So I'm just going to replace this with a new Fav icon. So requirements for Fav icon, just make sure that it is a square image and that it is 512 pixels by 512 pixels. So it is square. Let's click upload and upload a test Fav icon. Here I have a test Fav icon. I'm going to click open, and you're now going to see that if we refresh the page in here, this icon will change to this circular one. Let's click in here and hit refresh, and now you can see that it has changed to this circular one. You can also delete the Fav icon out, and you can upload another one if you wish.